Hello? 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 Hello?
So a while ago for fun, I made this program that analyzes the music coming in, does a calculation, sends that data to a microcontroller, which then uses that value to control the brightness of lights. I felt like that was too boring though, so I decided to use the same program to adjust individually addressable LED lights. So I bought 5 meters of LED lights, wrote a program on the Raspberry Pi to control them, and then connected the Pi to my PC so it could receive the data from the music analysis program. I ended up ripping out the power supply from an old computer. The LED strip requires 5 volts and draws 1.8 amps per meter. And I have 5 meters, which will require 9 amps and therefore 45 watts total. The 5-volt line on this power supply offers up to 15 amps, which is plenty. I also bought a breakout board for the Molex connector on the power supply so that I could use the PSU as a typical power supply for future circuits. I connected everything together, so here are some demonstrations.